Hey, we're GPS and Track, and for the Hardwired GPS tracker for cars, this is it. It's a pretty simple install. It's just a power and a ground. This can actually be set up. We have a partnership with Best Buy. They can knock it out in about 20-30 minutes, but it's a constant power and a ground, so it's simple. We also have an OBD GPS tracker that is free. It just plugs in the side of this, and you can plug into your OBD port. And if you want something super simple, we actually have a wireless tracker. But for now, the car tracker, the Hardwire car tracker, you can kind of see it on the platform, and here it is. This is exact. So if you're worried about location of the vehicle, you could set up geofencing. If you're worried about theft, this is our most popular by far. It's got tamper alert, it's got backup batteries. These are really inexpensive, and we don't charge the monthly fee. We don't have the contracts. Let me show the history of this. So we're going to check out the history from yesterday, and as you can kind of see, this is incredibly detailed. So you could actually just replay the entire day. It's going to show the beginning. I mean, kind of how cool is this? It'll show all the stops throughout the day. You see every stop, start, route, speeds, so it's incredibly detailed. So you can kind of click any part of the day and see exactly where I was. So yesterday at 6 p.m., I was getting my hair cut. Actually, I got them all cut. The entire routes I took to get there. This shows when I got to the gym right around 7:40 p.m. and you can see what parking space I'm in. So this is exact, and this all comes from the Hardwired GPS tracker. So if you're monitoring employees, if this is for your personal car for vehicles, if it's for a teen driver, this is Big Brother. You're in the car the entire time, but instead of you, it's technology. It's not just going to give you an address. This is the exact location, the parking spot it's in. And if you want to learn more about these, just visit gpsandtrack.com. You can also give us a call, 800-578-1809. Just hit option 1. It'll come right to us, kind of figure out what you need, what the best solution for you is, and show you a demo. We definitely want to show you a demo.